Hey guys, we are out at Overholser Lake to do another adventure. So here, I'll show you. This is in the back of the Jeep. We got a kayak, which is that tan bag, and then we got a stand-up paddleboard, which is in the blue bag. We don't know which one we like yet. This is going to be our maiden voyage, but I got them because I got to be able to put them in the back of the Jeep. They're messing with Chloe over there. Anyways, so you can come on this adventure. There's like a little river next to Overholser. So we're out here, really cool. So we're gonna see what's out. We have not been, I've paddled, dragon boat paddled on this, but I haven't been down to the Stitchcom Refuge, so. Okay, we're airing stuff up. Okay, Abby's going. Todd was chauffeuring, not now. And then Chloe. Chloe's just sitting there. We'll see how this is. Okay, don't go chasing the fly and fall off the boat.
Hey, don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't go chasing.
You know I'm videoing, right?
Oh, I didn't know that. My bad.
Oh, everyone's gonna unfollow us now.
Everybody loves that song. That's great.
Now what you're singing, the song wasn't the problem.
Yeah, I get that. You gotta tell people. Amazing.
Abby and Chloe are chilling.